Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Shadowing. My name is Vanessa.
And I'm Robert. Today we are going to have a simple English conversation about weekend plans.
This conversation uses easy English and common daily phrases.
Listen carefully and enjoy the conversation.
Robert, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I do, but my plans are still very simple.
Simple plans can be the best plans.
I agree. I do not want a busy weekend.
What do you want to do on Saturday?
On Saturday morning, I want to sleep late.
That sounds nice. What time will you wake up?
Maybe at 9, maybe at 10, if my bed is too comfortable.
Your bed has a strong power.
Yes, very strong. It always says, stay your Robert.
Do you usually sleep late on weekends?
Sometimes, yes. During the week, I wake up early.
Me too. On weekdays, my alarm is not my friend.
Same here, my alarm is very loud and very rude.
Maybe your alarm is just trying to help.
Maybe, but it still sounds angry every morning.
After you wake up on Saturday, what will you do?
I will make breakfast. I want eggs, toast, and coffee.
That sounds like a good weekend breakfast.
Yes, weekday breakfast is fast, but weekend breakfast is slow.
I like that. Slow breakfast feels relaxing.
Exactly. I can sit, drink coffee, and do nothing.
Doing nothing can be a real weekend activity.
Yes, and I am very good at it.
I believe you.
Thank you. I practice every weekend.
Do you want to go out on Saturday?
Maybe in the afternoon. I want to go to the park.
The park is a good idea. The weather may be nice.
I hope so. I want to walk and get some fresh air.
Do you like walking alone or with a friend?
Both are nice. Alone is quiet, but with a friend is fun.
That is true. Walking with a friend makes time go fast.
Yes, and we can talk about small things.
Small things are good. They make life feel light.
Exactly, like food, weather, and funny dogs.
Funny dogs?
Yes, dogs in the park always look busy.
That is true. They have many important dog jobs.
Yes, smell this tree, run there, look happy.
That sounds like a perfect weekend job.
I would like that job.
You want to be a park dog?
Only on weekends. During the week, I can be Robert.
Fair enough.
What about you, Vanessa? What are your weekend plans?
On Saturday morning, I want to clean my room.
That sounds useful, but not very fun.
I know, but my room needs help.
How much help?
A lot of help. My chair is full of clothes.
Ah, the closed chair. I know that chair.
Do you have one too?
Yes, I do. It is not a chair now. It is a clothes mountain.
Then you also need to clean this weekend.
Maybe, but my clothes mountain feels like home.
No, Robert, clothes should live in the closet.
You are right. My t-shirts need a proper home.
Cleaning can feel good after it is done.
Yes, that part is nice. The starting part is hard.
Very true. I always need music when I clean.
Music helps a lot. Fast music makes cleaning faster.
Exactly. I dance a little while I clean.
That makes cleaning more fun.
Yes, but sometimes I dance more than I clean.
That sounds like a good problem.
Maybe, but my room stays messy.
Then you need cleaning music, not dance music.
Good point. I need serious music.
Very serious music for serious socks.
Socks are always a problem.
Yes, one sock always disappears.
Where do they go?
Maybe they have weekend plans too.
That is possible. Maybe they go to the beach.
Lucky socks.
After cleaning, I want to meet my sister for lunch.
That sounds nice. Where will you go?
We may go to a small cafe near her house.
Do they have good food?
Yes, they have sandwiches, soup, and cake.
Cake makes every plan better.
I knew you would say that.
It is true. Cake is a strong weekend plan.
Maybe I will order a small piece.
A small piece is safe, a big piece is exciting.
You are dangerous around cake.
I know, cake trusts me too much.
What will you do on Saturday evening?
I think I will stay home and watch a movie.
That sounds relaxing. What kind of movie?
Maybe a comedy? I want something light and funny.
Good choice. Weekends are not for sad movies.
I agree. I do not want to cry into my popcorn.
Popcorn is important for movie night.
Very important. Without popcorn, the movie feels lonely.
Do you watch movies alone?
Sometimes, but this weekend my cousin may come over.
That will be fun.
Yes, he always laughs loudly.
Is that good or bad?
Both. It is funny, but sometimes I cannot hear the movie.
Then you can turn on subtitles.
Good idea. Subtitles can save movie night.
I often use subtitles too.
They help when people speak too fast.
Yes, and when someone is eating popcorn loudly.
That someone is not me.
Are you sure?
Maybe not. Popcorn is noisy food.
What about Sunday? Do you have Sunday plans?
Sunday will be quiet. I want to visit my parents.
That is lovely. Do they live far away?
Not too far. It takes about 30 minutes by bus.
Do you visit them often?
Yes, almost every Sunday.
That is very nice.
My mother usually cooks lunch.
What does she cook?
Many things: rice, soup, fish, and vegetables.
That sounds healthy and delicious.
It is. My mother's food is better than restaurant food.
Mothers have special cooking power.
Yes, and they never cook a small amount.
That is true. There is always extra food.
Exactly. I eat lunch and take food home.
That is a great Sunday plan.
Yes, it is family time and food time.
Do you help your mother in the kitchen?
Sometimes, yes, I wash vegetables or set the table.
That is helpful.
I try, but she says I cut vegetables too slowly.
Maybe slow vegetables are safer.
That is what I think. My fingers are important.
Very important. Keep your fingers safe.
I will.
On Sunday, I want to go grocery shopping.
Do you have a list?
Yes, I learned from our supermarket trip.
Good. A list is the hero.
I need fruit, yogurt, bread, and eggs.
That sounds like a normal shopping list.
Yes, but I also want snacks.
Now the list is more exciting.
Maybe some crackers and chocolate.
Chocolate is a good weekend snack.
I agree, but I will not buy too much,
That is smart. Chocolate can disappear very quickly.
especially when I watch a movie.
Movies and chocolate are good friends.
Yes, very good friends.
Will you cook on Sunday evening?
Maybe I want to make pasta.
Nice. Pasta is a good Sunday dinner.
Yes, it is simple and warm.
Do you make tomato pasta or cream pasta?
Tomato pasta? It feels lighter.
Good choice. Will you add vegetables?
Yes, maybe mushrooms and onions.
That sounds delicious.
I hope so. Sometimes my pasta is too soft.
That happens. Pasta needs careful timing.
I know, I walk away for 1 minute and the pasta changes.
Pasta is quiet, but it is dramatic.
Very dramatic.
Do you plan everything before the weekend starts?
Not everything. I like to have some free time.
Me too. Too many plans make me tired.
A weekend should have space to breathe.
That is a nice way to say it.
I like 1 or 2 plans, then rest.
Same here. A full weekend can feel like work.
Exactly. I do not want my weekend to have homework energy.
Homework energy is not welcome.
No, thank you.
What is your favorite part of the weekend?
Saturday morning. I like waking up slowly.
Me too. Saturday morning feels free.
There is no rush.
And the coffee tastes better.
Does coffee really taste different on Saturday?
Yes, Saturday coffee tastes like freedom.
That is very dramatic.
Coffee is important, Vanessa.
I know, you have told me many times.
And I will tell you again next weekend.
I am ready.
What is your least favorite part of the weekend?
Sunday night,
Oh yes, Sunday night feels strange.
it feels like the weekend is waving goodbye.
And Monday is standing at the door.
That is a little scary.
Very scary. Monday has a serious face.
How do you make Sunday night better?
I prepare my clothes and bag for Monday.
That sounds helpful.
Yes, then Monday morning is less stressful.
I should do that too.
It helps. Also, I make a simple breakfast plan.
What kind of breakfast plan?
Something easy, like yogurt and fruit.
Good idea. Monday morning should be simple.
Exactly. Monday morning does not need big problems.
I also like to sleep early on Sunday.
That is smart. I say that every week.
But do you do it?
Not always. Sometimes I watch one more episode.
One more episode is a dangerous sentence.
Very dangerous. It can become 4 more episodes.
Then Monday morning becomes painful.
Yes. My alarm becomes even more rude.
Maybe this Sunday you should stop after one episode.
I will try. Please believe in me.
I believe in you a little.
A little is enough.
Do you like planning your weekend with other people?
Sometimes. But I also like time alone.
That is healthy. Everyone needs personal time.
Yes, I call it quiet Robert time.
Quiet Robert time sounds important.
It is. I sit, drink coffee, and look at nothing.
That sounds peaceful.
It is very peaceful. My brain thanks me.
I have quiet Vanessa time too.
What do you do?
I read, drink tea, or take a short walk.
That sounds very nice.
It helps me feel ready for the new week.
Yes, a good weekend can make Monday easier.
Not perfect, but easier.
I will take easier.
Me too.
Do you ever work on weekends?
Sometimes, but I try not to.
Same. Weekend work feels different
Yes, it feels heavier than weekday work.
because the weekend is for rest.
Exactly. But sometimes we have to finish things.
True? Then I try to work for only 1 or 2 hours.
That is a good limit.
After that, I close my laptop and leave it alone.
Does your laptop understand?
I hope so. It also needs a weekend.
Everything needs a weekend.
Even socks at the beach.
Yes, even socks at the beach.
I like this plan.
So your weekend is sleep, breakfast, park, movie, and family.
Yes, and maybe cleaning the clothes mountain.
Do not forget that part.
I will try not to forget.
My weekend is cleaning, lunch with my sister, shopping, pasta, and rest.
That sounds nice and balanced.
I hope it will be.
Maybe we should both take a photo of our weekend.
Good idea. We can share one simple photo.
I will take a photo of my coffee.
Of course you will.
It will be a very handsome coffee.
Coffee cannot be handsome.
My Saturday coffee can.
Okay, I will wait to see it.
And you can take a photo of your pasta.
Only if it looks good.
Even if it looks funny, it can be a memory.
That is true. Funny pasta is still pasta.
Exactly.
I think weekend plans do not need to be big.
I agree. Small plans can make us happy.
A walk, a meal, a movie, or time with family.
And a clean room, maybe?
Yes, maybe a clean room.
The closed chair is listening.
Good. Tell it to be ready.
I will. The closed mountain will fall this weekend.
That sounds like a big event.
It is. Please send support.
I support you and your t-shirts.
Thank you. We appreciate it.
That's our conversation for today.
Tell us your answer in the comments.
What are your weekend plans?
Try to write 1 or 2 simple English sentences.
If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.
Thank you for watching Easy English Shadowing.
See you in the next video.
Goodbye and enjoy your weekend.